Hi everybody, it's Carla, and tonight we're going to do a butterfly. And this is just kind of something I didn't really have plans for. I just decided to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some gold chameleon powder. It's an off-brand that I got from Amazon. It doesn't even have the name on it, but it's actually a really pretty color. And I'm putting it on the butterfly body and also on its bobs, antenna thingies. So I'm going to do that. And then as soon as I get through putting that on, you see those three colors underneath the LOVE? Well, under the L, that is a pink color that I mixed up with a couple of drops of the white Let's Resin dye. Probably those are very small, almost like 1 ounce little cups. And I put in a drop of the Morandi light pink because I just wanted it to, instead of being white, I wanted it to be a little bit of color. The next color up there is a mixture of the Ranger alcohol ink sailboat blue, and I mixed it with the Let's Resin sapphire blue resin dye. So you can't see the bottom two portions of the wings here, and I do apologize for that. It was not intentional. I was doing several projects. You can see several up there. And I just started pouring this. So I'm putting about a third and a third in the top two wings, and then the small bottom two parts, the remainder. So it's less. So I'm going to be doing the same with all three cups. Now, that third cup, it is a mixture of peacock blue on the Let's resin dye, few drops, and also some emerald green from the Let's Resin dye. Those are mixed together there. I'm just giving it a little stir. The resin has been mixed up for a while. Oh, I apologize. I thought I went in order, but I did the pink, the pale pink, and then I put in the peacock blue, which is mixed with a drop or two of the sapphire blue by Let's Resin. And so far, all three of these have been full, and I really do believe they are the 1 ounce, maybe, let me look and see, 30 millimeters is what they are. So far, and I'm adding in this one right here. We're going to have added in 90 millimeters to this mold. This is the Ranger Sailboat Blue mixed with the Sapphire Blue. I hope I didn't say the peacock one wrong, because peacock was mixed with emerald green, and the peacock and emerald green are both from Let's Resin. Oh, okay, so you can see the bottom here a little bit better. And it's literally when I'm doing in one side of the wing, I'm doing in the other, and I'm doing in the bottom, identical. And I'm just trying to get everything out of the little cups that I can. Um, the love sign that you see right there. If you look at my last video I released yesterday on August 3rd, I think it was number 25, you'll see the results from that. That came out so beautiful. So right now I'm just, anything that's left over, I'm putting a little bit in each one. I'm trying to give it little equal amounts of what's left, because there's, I'm not going to waste it. And this little butterfly, I only fill this up to the top of the antenna. I do not go all the way up to the edge of the mold because I think it's unnecessary. And I like it better where it just looks like a butterfly and not a plaque. And I put in the antennae. And this is some black that was left over from the love sign and also the little dragon that I filled up. Um, yeah, in the morning I just woke up and I was like, you know what? I haven't done any resin for a day or so. And I had like 4 projects I wanted to be working on. So I just thought, okay, I'm going to turn on the camera and record. And so now I'm splicing those up into individual little videos. So like they're 10 to 20 minutes in length instead of an hour and a half. Okay, so the black, the reason that I, that I went ahead and I put polka dots in there is when I was putting the black in the middle, I spilled some. And so I went, okay, well, it looks like we're going to have some little black polka dots here. And that's the reason that I did that. And then you're going to see me just start with, in a minute here. I'm going to mix up some, the last of the resin that's left. It's mixed with white from Let's Resin ink white and also with the pinata white. And I mixed in a couple drops of the, what is it, purple, pinata color, passion purple, because I didn't want white. And then I just started doing polka dots because I need to fill up the rest of the mold, but I didn't want to just dump this color in, and just have it be like one clunk of this color. Okay, at this point, everything is translucent, and I didn't want to just dump in all of the lilac color, um, but I did want some opaqueness to it. That's why I'm putting in the polka dots. I was hoping that they would kind of fall down to the bottom, maybe move in towards the center and make some really great techniques or effects. So as you can see, I'm filling up the space. You can look towards the top of the wings and you'll see that they are moving up one drop at a time, which looks really fast here, but it was really time consuming for me. But then again, it was interesting. So then I'm taking what's left of the black and I'm putting it all on top of the butterfly's body. And I know that it's going to spread out. As a matter of fact, I'm spreading it out because I want that part in the middle to spread out into the wings. And then I'm filling up what's left of the corners with the black. Hindsight, I wish that that had been a little more opaque, but it's fine. Those are the only 2 places. So I'm putting all the rest of the black there. The bottom wings didn't need it. Now I am pouring this lilac color directly into the middle. I'm letting it go into the middle and I'm waiting a second. And then I'm going to pour it again. I'm filling up the mold, continuing, but I am trying to make sure that the lilac stays within the black. And so what we've got here is the back of the butterfly. It's been cured. It's been sitting in my resin plate heater for an hour, so it's still soft, but that is a really great thing. My Let's Resin heating plate, love it. And I think this came out spectacular. It is beautiful. The gold, the white little dots on the wings, the way the black around the body, and then the purple right next to the body. I think this is so beautiful, just so beautiful. And if I was going to change something, it would be making that black in the tips maybe a little bit darker, more opaque. Yeah, I kind of did it the way you would do a coaster, but I think because it has the design on the front etched into it, maybe it just didn't work that way. But the back of it is so cute. So I really appreciate everybody that's been watching me, that has subscribed. If you've been using my Amazon links, thank you. It's just every little cent helps. And don't forget to check out that in the Amazon link, I have a metal burring tool that is fantastic. And it's like 10 bucks from Amazon. I get 70 cents on it. So thank you, everybody. I just appreciate you so much. And all around the world, the people that are watching, I love, love, love that everybody connects through art. I think that's great. So please be kind to everybody, and love yourself. And please come back, okay? Thank you.